So it says in the book of Mark, chapter 16, verse 15 to 16, ito po ang sabi ng New King James Version. Sabi ng 15, and he said to them, yung he na nagsasalita dito, ay ang ating Panginoong Jesucristo. Go into all the world and preach the gospel to every creature. Sabi ng ating Panginoong Jesucristo sa kanyang mga disciple, Go into all the world and preach the gospel to every creature. Bakit? Sabi ng verse 16, he who believes and is baptized will be saved. But he who does not believe will be condemned. So ganun pala ka-importante ang pananampalataya that is literally a matter of life and death. Na sa simpleng word na pananampalataya na dapat merong substance of things hoped for at merong ebidensya ng mga bagay na hindi nakikita, yung pananampalataya daw na yun, pag pinreach natin into all creature at yung mga tao na kakapakinig ay naniwala,